Hello everybody. Today in this video you will learn how to move your Facebook apps to Bidden using Apploin Max as mediation network, how to integrate both Facebook audience network and Apploin in same app. You will also learn how to integrate Apploin Max ad banner and interstitial ads in Android Studio using Java. To do so, follow these simple steps. First of all, create your Apploin account. Open your browser and write address apploin.com. Click on sign up and create your account. You have to fill all these information. After you sign up, you will have to check your email. Here in this email you have to provide your Android apps link for successful approval of your account. You can share them one or more your apps link for successful approval of your account. After about 24 hours your account will be approved and you will get a confirmation email from Applumen. After you receive your email, you can sign in to your account. For this, go to your browser and type apploin.com. Then click on sign in, enter your email and password. After that, now you have to provide them some more info. You have to verify two-step verification. Then you have to add your payment method and payment information. For adding payment information, you have to click on account and then in payment tab, you have to click on info. Then provide them all the information like address, payment method, tax forms, etc. When you did all these things, click on max and then click on manage, uh, then click on units. Now you have to create banner and interstitial ads. To do so, click on manage and click on add units. Now click on create ad unit. Now name it as banner ad. Now enter your if your app is already published on Play Store, then paste it your application name or its package name or its bundle ID. You have to provide here your application name or its project name or its bundle ID. If your app is not already published on Play Store, then you have to manually add your package name. Then click on manually add your package name. Now you have to paste here your package name from Android Studio. Now open your Facebook monetization manager by clicking facebook.com business. Now you have to open Facebook. Write URL business.facebook.com/pub/home. Now you have to click on these three bars and click on integration. Here you have to click on Beating integration. Then if you have already added your app or property in Facebook, then proceed as follows. Click on Max, then select your app from here, then click on generate API token. Now You have to check this checkbox and click on generate API token. Now copy this API token. Now open Max tab. Under manage, click on networks. Now select Facebook and click on connect. Please note that before account approval you cannot do so. If you get any error of connection problem or fail to connect, then you have to wait for 2 or 3 days, or you may not have added your account information in Max settings. So check all these things. There are two options: login with Facebook or click here for token generation. You can try both these methods, but I am trying to do so via token. Then go to business.facebook.com. Here you will see business ID. Select it and copy it and paste it here. Finally click save. Now in manage, click on add units. Now click on banner ad. Now select Facebook bidding. Now switch on this status to on. Now go to Facebook monetization manager and copy banner ad ID and paste it here. Now save this. Also repeat for these steps for interstitial ad. Now you have to add test device. To add test device, this requires Google Ad ID, GAID. To find your Google Ad ID, your device Google Ad ID, you have to go to settings in your phone, then click on Google, then click on ads. Here you will see advertising ID. You have to copy or write this ID in both Facebook and Max settings. Open Max and click on test mode. Here click on add test device. Now name it and paste it and that ID here and select network Facebook. Then select network AppLovin. Finally click on save. Now repeat these steps for Facebook. Click on integration, click on testing. Now switch on testing enabled and write Google ID, add Google Ad ID here with device name and click add. Now you have to open Android Studio, paste all these 5 dependencies. Now go to Max and click here on mediation documents. Now scroll down and you will find a unique API key. You have to copy these plugin lines and in app level build.gradle, paste it here. Now go to project level build.gradle and add these following repositories. Now add following class paths in dependencies. Now you have to create a folder in the REST directory named XML. Now you have to create a file named network security config and save it. Now paste this code inside it and remove existing code. Now open Android manifest.xml and paste this and give internet permissions and paste this code. Now go to Max documents again and add these two metadata codes of SDK key. Please remember that this SDK key is unique for every ID, so you have to replace it with your own ID. This ID will be included when you open your account and see these documents. Your own ID will be shown here, so don't worry. Do not copy same line from video. Instead, you have to write these lines from your own account by opening your own documents. After that, go to an activity main.xml and create a button and create a banner ad view. You have to copy banner ad ID of Max head and paste it here. Now go to activity main activity.java and create two variables like this. Now you have to initialize your SDK. Inside SDK, call a method show banner ad. Outside SDK, call a method load max interstitial ad. Now initialize the button and set on click listener. Show max interstitial ad. Now outside on create, you have to create these three methods: show max banner ad and load interstitial ad and show interstitial ad. Finally create an activity, second activity, and run your application and check it. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share it. Source code link is given in description.